Damaged hair? No problem. We've got you. No matter if your hair is long or short, curly or wavy, everyone longs for a healthy shiny hair. Yet the products designed for the very same is sometimes the enemy. The heat we apply to our hair, even with heat protectant, it hurts our hair. Not only that, let's not think about the hair coloring. Homemade hair mask for damaged hair. Nature has given us some amazing home remedies we can always use to our benefit rather than going back to chemicals. Going natural means you get it done at a fraction of the money. Also, you do not need to worry about the side effects or hair fall. 1. Coconut oil and olive oil hair mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. How to mix both the oils thoroughly. Apply them to the length of your hair from root to tip. Cover your hair with a shower cap and apply heat with your hair dryer. Or wrap your hair in a hot towel. Leave it on for an hour or two before washing and conditioning your hair. If your hair is very dry and damaged, apply this to your scalp as well and leave it overnight. Don't forget to work it well into your scalp to encourage blood flow as well. Repeat this at least twice a week and more depending on how damaged your hair is. 2. Mayonnaise hair mask to treat damaged hair. Ingredients: mayonnaise. How? Apply mayonnaise to the lengths of your hair, not your scalp. Make sure your hair completely covered. Put your shower cap on and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash and condition as usual. Try it twice a week depending on how damaged your hair is. 3. Olive oil and egg mask. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons olive oil. How to beat 2 eggs in a bowl until it's frothy. Mix in the olive oil slowly till it's mixed in well. Apply it to the lengths of your hair and avoid your scalp. If you are like me, who likes oil applied on the scalp, then you can apply some coconut oil to your scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a towel. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash and condition your hair as usual. Once a week and your hair will be back to its shiny self once again. 4. Avocado and honey homemade hair mask. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup coconut milk. How to peel and mash the avocados in a bowl. Make sure that there are no lumps. Add the honey and coconut milk and mix them well. Apply the mixture to the lengths of your hair. Wrap a hot towel around your hair. Or you can cover with a shower cap and give it a good blast with your hair dye. Allow the mix sit on your hair for around 30 minutes. Wash and condition as usual. Repeat this once every fortnight. Apply this homemade hair mask and you can see the result in 5 days. Proved by me. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends for more health and fitness tips. Subscribe to this channel.